Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to free up storage space in your Redmi 15 Android phone. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. After you open up your phone settings, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on About Phone. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Storage. Then on getting to storage, it's going to load up like so. For you to free up storage in order to have more storage space in your Redmi Android phone, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you click on free up storage, free up. So once you click on free up, you'll be given the number of megabytes or gigabytes that you want to free up from your storage space in your Redmi Android phone. So just tap on free up storage. So once you click on free up, you are going to save a lot of storage space capacity in your Redmi Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.